So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we shall be doing some vibe coding with anti-gravity. Alright, so anti-gravity has a lot of features, how you can run multiple agents in parallel and sit down and it shall actually build your application. So let's get started. So go over to antigravity.google to download your anti-gravity. So I'm on Windows. You can actually click here to download for Windows. Alright, so once you are done downloading, the installation is very straightforward. Go ahead to install anti-gravity and then open up anti-gravity on your PC. Alright, so when you open up anti-gravity, this is the interface you will get. Okay, so um at this side, this is the agent side. Okay, where you have to keep chatting with the agent and then to making changes. So if you are conversant with VS Code, so this IDE here now is a fork from VS Code. So it has all the features that VS Code has. Okay, so you can see this panel and then here now is where we are going to be saving our code. So to start coding, the first thing you need to do is to open a folder. So we'll come to open folder so we can open a folder where we want to work on. Okay, go over to our file explorer to open up a folder. So I'm going to be creating a folder here. So let me call it projects. All right, so call this project and I'm going to select the folder. Okay, and then it shall be opening up this folder. All right, so yes, I trust the author. So this is where all my files will appear, and then this is my editor. Okay, so if I create any file, I'm going to be seeing them here in the editor. Okay, so now there is one sweet thing about anti-gravity on how it works, unlike other coding agents. So instead of chatting at this particular panel and then the work will be implemented there. I can actually discuss and plan with anti-gravity. Okay, so sit down and then keep planning with it on the project I want to do, and then it will help me to actually do that. So it's very straightforward. We'll have what is called the agent manager. So the anti-gravity what is called the agent manager. So I'm going to be opening up the agent manager. So this is the agent manager now. All right, so here in the agent manager now, I can continue. So this is the project I'm working on now. So I can continue to keep chatting with the agent here and then to maybe generate what I want to do. And once I'm done, before I can actually tell it to start implementing, so you see I have my project here, okay? And as this is going on, I can start a new conversation as well. Okay, you can start a new conversation while you have started a conversation already. So this is just the beauty of the agent manager. So I can be running two or three agents at the same time. So you can be running one, start another conversation, and then be running another one. So let's hit the road and see what we can actually do with this. So let's say I want to build something very straightforward. I want to build a dashboard for my firm. All right, a dashboard that will be showing all the finances, both the income, the gross, and the net for every year and all that. So that's what I want to build. I don't know the tools I need to use. I don't know how to do that, but this is what I want. So I have an anti-gravity and I can start. So I'll start by saying by explaining what I want to do. Okay. So I want to build. So this is just what I want to do. So I've just told it what I want to do. So I can go on to say, how can I achieve this? So remember that at this point, I don't know the tool to use. I don't know what I am going to be using. So I can send this and then watch the agent manager do its magic. Okay, so hold on and then see how it's going to plan and give us the whole rundown and the whole plan on how the work can be executed. So all right, let's look at what it has actually generated for us. So it said to build the powerful, stunning financial dashboard, we can break the process down. Okay, so you need to choose the tech stack, define the structure, and then see the core dashboard features, and then the implementation step. Okay, so this is just the different steps on how this thing can actually be done. And he said, would you like me to go ahead and start scaffolding this real dashboard in your blog? Okay, whether you should start building it. Okay, so all right, so it has actually shown me the step on how this can actually be built. Okay, so and it has just listed few things for me. All right, so but I don't want it to start building yet. I want it to write down the plan on how it should be done. Write down all the tech stack it will be using, and then so that I can make changes where I want. Okay. All right, and we're going to send this, and it's going to process, and we'll look at the output. All right, so as we can actually see now, it has created a file for us. It has created the implementation plan. Okay, it has created the implementation plan. So this implementation plan is a full plan on how this work will be implemented. Okay, so this is the implementation plan. So that's what we'll have here. So if I go over to my anti-gravity here, I'm going to see we'll have two datas that was created here now. So I have the implementation plan and I have the task. So the task is how it should be executed one after the other. Okay, and then the implementation plan is the entire plan of how the work will be done. So you see that it has already planned the work from top to bottom. It has already planned the work from top to bottom on how it should be, and then how the work will be executed. So what's left is to just go ahead and then execute the work. So I can read through what I have here now and make corrections. I can add a comment. Okay, maybe I want it to correct few things. I can add a comment and it's going to implement that. So, but if I'm okay with what we have here now, so I'm going to click on proceed and it will start the execution of this work immediately. So, if I'm okay with what I have here, I can easily click on proceed, and once I click on proceed, it will start with implementing this. So if I head over to anti-gravity now, if this work is implementing now, is going to be ticking this box, okay, as they are implementing. So let me show us a thing. So I'm going to keep the files this way. Okay, I'll have this here, and I'm going to keep the files this way. Okay. All right, so it's requesting for my permission to continue to run codes on the terminal to for the MPX and others. So I'm going to say run. So as it is executing, if it needs my permission to do it, and it's going to ask for my permission. All right, so yeah, I want it this way so that I can be seeing what is happening here and also be seeing it here as well. Okay. So, all right, it needs to run the next step. So I have to accept. Okay, so I have to click run so that it can actually start running the dependency. So as you can see in my project now, you see that a lot of files has been created. while this is still running. So it's already creating different files for the work. And as you can see, this particular step is done. That's why we have this tick, and then it's running this currently now. So this is how anti-gravity runs it step by step through the plan to actually ensure that the project is executed. So as the work is going on, you see that it's already done with this and it ticked them, okay? And it's still going on to be creating different files that we actually need for the job, okay? Still creating all the files. All right, so now it needs to run our code. It's actually done generating all the code. So I'm going to click run so that it will run the code for us. Okay. All right, so it's almost done, and it's going to create the link where we can actually click, and then you'll be able to see this app that has been built now. So once it's done, it will be available in localhost and port 5173. Okay, so our execution is done, okay, and then this is where we are going to see the dashboard on this particular link. So what we just need to do is to click on this link, and it's going to open up the browser, and then we'll see our dashboard. And here is the wonderful dashboard that it has actually built for us. Okay, so um, okay, I think this tool has not been implemented yet. So, but this is okay, it has by years. You can check the different years. Okay, you can check by January. You see January, you see April. Okay, you see for the full year, you see for December. So the year is not selecting, and okay, we'll have settings and we'll have logout. So these are some of the few features that if I want to continue working on this, I can actually go ahead and tell it the particular feature it actually needs to work on or generate. So this dashboard is actually looking so good and so clean, and it's actually a great dashboard. So this is actually the simplest way that you can actually work with anti-gravity and then get what you want. So I can continue to iterate now to tell it more features that I want it to add in this dashboard now, if I want to edit few things on this dashboard. So this is just the easiest way you can actually use anti-gravity. So, and I believe you're going to use it in your project next. Thank you very much for watching my video. Meanwhile, keep coding.